Hey, beautiful souls. Today we will be discussing the benefits of eating fruits and vegetables on a daily basis. I will go over the positive benefits that incorporating fruits and vegetables can have on your health. I will talk about the negative impact not eating fruits and vegetables can have on your body. And I will also give you some tips on incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your daily meals. A healthy outside starts with a healthy inside. Robert Urich. Eating more fruits and vegetables can be challenging for some people. Whether you are cooking at home or eating out, you can find ways to add more vegetables to your diet. Being plant based, 90% of my meals are fruits and vegetables, so I learned how to be creative and find new ways to eat fruits and vegetables. Even if you are a picky eater and enjoy one or two vegetables, you can cook those vegetables in a bunch of different ways just by altering the cooking method and using different spices. Try to steam, saute, grill, or bake two vegetables into different meals and see how many dinner options you have. Fruits and vegetables are very low in calories but high in fiber. Fun fact, you can eat 2 pounds of one kind of vegetable, like tomatoes, bell peppers, or zucchini, and it will be less than 200 calories. But because of the fiber, you would feel full way before you are even able to eat that much. So you will be able to eat more than enough to keep you full and won't consume a lot of calories in the process, which will keep you at a healthy weight. Fruits and vegetables also improve your cardiovascular health and reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. They also help to lower your blood pressure and improve symptoms of diabetes. This is because they all contain fiber, which sticks to any fat molecule and flushes them out of your body as waste. So they're able to clear out the buildup in the arteries that can lead to heart disease or stroke. They also lower your risk for cancers because they contain antioxidants that fight off free radicals that cause damage to cells in the body and help diseases or cancer cells thrive. Fruits and vegetables also contain phytochemicals, which are chemical compounds produced by plants and are also powerful antioxidants. Phytonutrients become active substances that promote health in the body and improve the immune system and hormones. They act as antibacterial and antiviral compounds, and multiple studies have proven they can reduce the risk of cancer, heart disease, stroke, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. We should all be eating fruits and vegetables as if our lives depend on it, because they do. Dr. Michael Greger. Not consuming fruits and vegetables can increase your risk for disease and inflammation. According to the National Library of Medicine, there was a study done on fruit and vegetable intake and the benefits and progress of nutrition education interventions. And they explained that low intake of fruits and vegetables are associated with chronic diseases such as cardiovascular diseases, blood pressure, osteoporosis, many cancers, chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, respiratory problems, as well as mental health. Not consuming fruits and vegetables also makes the body more prone to nutrient deficiencies. Some of the diseases caused by vitamin deficiencies are scurvy, which is caused by a vitamin C deficiency, bleeding disorders caused by a vitamin K deficiency, anemia caused by iron, B12, and folate deficiencies, osteoporosis caused by a lack of calcium, and many more. So, being deficient in any one vitamin or mineral can cause multiple health problems. So, that is why it is important to eat a range of different types of fruits and vegetables to get the different benefits they all have to offer. Another negative impact of not consuming fruits and vegetables is weight gain. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables allows you to consume fewer calories and fat while also more nutrients, vitamins, and fiber in the process. So you will feel fuller longer, which can lead to weight loss. Consuming foods like dairy or meat can cause you to feel hungry sooner because of their lack of fiber, cause you to feel bloated or tired because meat and dairy products contain tryptophan amino acids that increase serotonin production and cause drowsiness, which will make you less motivated to exercise or stay active. And because of the amount of fat they contain, they will also increase your body weight. Digestive issues like constipation and hemorrhoids are also caused by not eating enough fruits and vegetables, specifically because the fiber they contain improves your digestion, which helps the body stay regular and soften the stool, which can improve health by increasing the elimination of toxins from the body. Eat fruit for dessert. Fruits are loaded with natural sugar and are low in calories, so they are the perfect option for dessert. There are so many ways you can turn your favorite fruit into a savory dessert. You can make a fruit salad with multiple kinds of fruit. You can grill your favorite fruits and top them with agave or cinnamon. You can make nice cream, like my recipe for peanut butter and banana nice cream, or add some dark chocolate to your fruits to make them more rich in flavor, like my chocolate avocado mousse. Blend up vegetables in soups, sauces, or smoothies. Vegetables are so versatile, it's easy to add multiple veggies to a meal for a boost of nutrients. You can use 3 to 4 vegetables in one meal by making a soup and then season it to your preference. Or blend up some greens, tomatoes, and other veggies with spices to create a homemade sauce you can use in different dishes so you can eat meals you enjoy with a veggie packed sauce. And my favorite way to incorporate vegetables is by blending them in a smoothie. Eating fruits for breakfast is the easiest way to start your day. And by adding a handful of greens to your morning smoothie, you can get 3 servings of fruit and 1 serving of vegetable all in one meal. Make a list of a variety you will enjoy. There are over 100 different fruits and vegetables that you can choose from, which can be overwhelming but also amazing because you have so many options available to try new recipes and switch them up. If you constantly eat the same foods, you will eventually get tired of it and want to eat more unhealthy foods because your taste buds aren't satisfied. So, make a list of different fruits and vegetables you're willing to try and then look up plant based recipes that include those ingredients to start creating new dishes. If you want some inspiration, you can check out my plant based recipe playlist, which I will link down below. Thank you for watching. I hope this information is helpful to you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic living tips.